The end of the year usually comes with a burning desire to turn over a new leaf, to achieve everything that you ever set your life to achieve. It always comes with this vision, this drive, this new year, new me energy, and also with this long list of goals. And trust me, that long list of goals is a recipe for disaster. I've been there. I used to write this long list of goals every single year at the beginning of the year. But if there is anything that the goals I set in 2025 taught me, it's that you need to be as flexible as possible with your goals. When I was setting my goals for 2025 at the end of 2024, I realized that the way I've been setting my goals the previous years was not working. I needed to switch things up. So I did. I switched things up in 2025 and I achieved most of my goals. There were a few of the goals that I couldn't achieve due to life changes and all that, but I was able to achieve most of my goals in 2025. And today I'm going to show you how you can make 2026 your most productive year by setting actionable goals that you would actually achieve. Let's dive in. First things first, don't just set goals randomly. Set goals for specific areas of your life. By that, I mean you should categorize goals. So set goals for each area of your life, let's say financial, personal, spiritual, and lifestyle development or your career development. That way, you'll be able to make actionable goals that fit the specific areas of your life that you know you can focus on better in the year. Secondly, you need to avoid overburdening yourself. By that, I mean instead of setting a very long list of goals, let's say 10 goals per aspect of your life, set a minimum of 2 goals and a maximum of 4 goals. I'm saying this because you need to be able to focus on every goal that you're going to set, right? And if you have this long list of goals, you might not want to finish it. Let's say for your spiritual goals, you have 10 goals on it, right? And for your financial goals, you have only 3 goals. It's not going to take time before you abandon your spiritual goals completely and focus on your financial goals, because you would feel like you can achieve your financial goals better because they feel like something you can do. Whereas your spiritual goals look like a chore, and you want to avoid doing that because you need to be able to achieve all your goals in 2026. The third step is that you need to set foundational goals. From the name, you already understand. Foundation means, let's say, when you're building a house, you have to lay the foundation first for the building to stand on, right? Now, your foundational goals work the same way. For every goal on every aspect that you're setting, you need to set a goal before that will serve as a foundation, that will serve as a solid ground. Now, let's say, for example, you are trying to achieve financial discipline. That is your overall financial goal for the year. You want to achieve financial discipline by the end of 2026. Instead of you to just write, I want to achieve financial discipline by the end of 2026, you have to break it down. By breaking it down, I mean the first goal is going to be you need to acquire financial literacy. That's the first step, because if you know enough about finances and everything that is about it, you'll be able to develop discipline. The second goal would be for you to sign up on a savings platform. The third goal will be for you to, let's say, budget interchangeably. So now that way everything progresses. You first acquire financial literacy, you learn how to budget, you set a budget, and you sign up on a savings platform. Then that way you can achieve financial discipline. That's how foundational goals works. You need to set foundational goals for each aspect of your life that you're setting a goal on to help you achieve your goals in 2026. And the next point is that you need to set a timeline. Do you know Parkinson's law? It says that work expands to fit the time allocated to it. Now, that is why our brains as humans work better when we're on a deadline. You achieve the things that you want to achieve when you're on deadline. Students get more things done when the deadline is close. The same thing goes for your goals. You need to set a timeline that you're going to use to achieve that. Let's say one of your career goals is to build a passive stream of income. Instead of you to say, I want to build a passive stream of income by the end of 2026, you say, by the end of quarter 1, 2026, I want to have built a passive stream of income. This would help you focus, right? It will help you lock in better even, because you know that you only have 3 months, like literally 3 months, to build a passive stream of income by the end of 2026, which in turn would help you achieve your goals faster and to see results even faster as well. So yes, make timelines for each goal that you're setting so that you can achieve them faster. Next, you want to build a system. I repeat, you want to build a system. Achieving the goals that you set to achieve usually calls for you to develop habits. And developing habits could be hard, especially if you don't have discipline in the first place. But let me give you one trick that actually always works. It's called habit stacking. Habit stacking is when you pair a new habit that you're trying to achieve with an old habit that you already have. So pairing a new habit can come in the form of when you set out to work out, you automatically know that you're supposed to listen to a podcast, and not just any podcast, a financial literacy podcast. That is helping you to achieve two goals: your fitness goals and your financial literacy goals. Another example would be the moment you get into your house, instead of you changing out of your clothes, loungewear to laze around on the bed, you are moving into the kitchen to get things done, to get dinner set. Or when you say you want to set out your clothes for tomorrow, instead of you to just sit out in silence, you can try to listen to a podcast in the background, probably on personal development or financial literacy, anything. It's just pairing something that you always do with something that you want to do. So it just has to be two things that complement each other. Doing this is setting a system that is going to actually help you work and help you achieve the goals that you set in 2026. Basically, certain systems help you flow better, because setting your goals and achieving your goals, particularly achieving your goals, is about flow, not force. And the last step is that you need to visualize your goals. By visualizing your goals, I'm saying that once you can see a picture of what you want to achieve, or a picture of what you want to achieve at the end of the year, it makes it easier for you to achieve them. By that, you can make a vision board or make a life movie. A vision board is this collage of pictures of things you want to achieve by the end of 2026. If you are confused on how to make it, it's actually very easy. First, go on Pinterest, then download pictures of the ideal life that you want to have. Let's say you want to have this dark academia type vibe, or a studious person's type of vibe. Just go online, type in dark academia, and download pictures that are relating to that. Then what you want to do is go on Canva and paste those pictures on a vision board. But it's not just going to be pictures of dark academia. It's going to be pictures of dark academia, of a successful person, of somebody working out, of somebody counting money, of somebody that is in their whole energy and spiritual vibes. That kind of thing is what you want to do. The same thing goes for a life movie. So you go on Pinterest, download the same pictures, go through the same process again. But instead this time you go on Canva and collage those pictures and turn them into a slideshow. So daily you play that video and you watch it to be reminded of what you are striving to achieve, of what you want to be like, and how you can be like it, how you can embody it more. Similarly, the vision board goes in the form of you downloading the vision board. After you made it on Canva, you download the vision board and you make it into your wallpaper on your phone or on your laptop. Or you could also just download it, print it out, and paste it on a wall. The key is for you to look at your vision board or to watch your life movie every single day, so that you can be reminded. Visualizing is key. And that's it for this video. Now you know that achieving your goals in 2026 is all about flexibility, not rigidity. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section and I will answer it. You can check out my article. Actually, I wrote 2 articles on this same topic. You can check them out on my Substack and Medium, or on my LinkedIn newsletter. Either way, I'll see you guys in the next video, and we'll be exploring more about goal setting in 2026, but not just in January alone, all through the year. I'll see you guys next time.